How do I delete your Snapchat account? Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will show you the way on how you can actually delete your Snapchat account. But before we get started with the video, if you're new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you want to delete your Snapchat account. The process is both different on your iPhone and Android. So I'll just basically guide you on your iPhone and I'll show you the way on my Android as well. So just go ahead and open up the Snapchat application, and let's say that you want to delete your account. So first of all, tap on the Bitmoji avatar on the top left hand side, and then you have to tap on the gear icon on the top right hand side of the screen. Now over here, if you're on Android, you just need to go ahead and look for the option called help. So under the support section, select I need help option over here. As you go to I need help, you'll be able to see a list of Snapchat supports which are available for you to discuss and work around. So you just need to tap on the search box at the very top at the screen, and you have to type in delete account. So I'll just go ahead and then type in delete account. Once you do that, you'll be able to see a list of all these sorts of search results over here. Once you search for delete account, you'll find this section over here which is how do I delete my Snapchat account. So you just need to go ahead and tap on how do I delete my Snapchat account. Now you can see how to delete a Snapchat account if you're on iOS. So if you're on iOS, you have to tap on the gear icon which is at the profile screen to the open settings. Then you have to scroll down to accounts actions and you have to select delete account. So basically on iOS it's fairly easy, and it's not really difficult on Android as well, because for Android users you can just tap on this accounts portal button which you see. It says go to the accounts portal and type in the username. So you just need to tap in this text which is highlighted in blue. Just tap on the accounts portal option. As you tap on the accounts portal option, you can still take us to this page which will ask us to delete our account. And what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and then confirm your username and your password. So once you confirm your username and password, you can see if you're sure that you want to delete your account, please enter your username and password below, then hit the continue button. Your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. You'll also lose any chats you've saved and any snaps and chats you've opened. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So if you'd like to reactivate your account before that happens, you can just log into Snapchat. So go ahead and enter your username, password, and confirm, and then tap on the continue button. Your account is going to remain deactivated and inactive for 30 days, and after 30 days it's going to be permanently deleted. And this is simply it. This is how you can delete your Snapchat account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.